In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a bill in Xero, whether you're tidying up your accounting records, correcting an error, or making certain adjustments. Knowing how to properly void a bill in Xero is an essential skill that can save you time and maintain your records' accuracy. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you handle this process with ease. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account with the appropriate credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Xero dashboard, where you can see a high-level overview of your financial activities. Next, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options that lead to different financial areas. For our task today, you need to find and click on the Purchases menu. This section will display information related to your bills, purchase orders, and any expenses you've recorded. After clicking on Purchases, you'll find yourself in a section that displays all your bills. This is the central hub for tracking what your business owes to vendors and suppliers. It's important to maintain accuracy here, so every transaction corresponds to real financial activities. When you're sure about which bill you want to void, scroll through the list and select that specific bill. It might be helpful to double-check the details associated with this bill to ensure that you're looking at the right one, especially if there are multiple bills with similar amounts or dates. Now that you have the correct bill open, you should see a variety of options available to you in this window. Look for the Bill Options button. Clicking here will present a drop-down menu with several actions you can take regarding this particular bill. Among these options, you'll find the option to void the bill. Select Void, and a prompt may appear, asking you to confirm this action. Voiding a bill effectively cancels it, meaning it will no longer impact your financial reports and obligations, but keep in mind that the record for this voided bill will still exist in Xero for audit trail purposes. This is a crucial feature that ensures transparency and accountability in your financial records. Once you confirm and proceed with voiding, you'll notice that the status of the bill changes to void. At this point, you've successfully voided the bill, and it will reflect this status both in your list of bills and in any future financial statements you generate. To recap, always make sure you're voiding the correct bill to prevent any discrepancies or errors in your accounting records. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to void a bill in Xero. It's an important tool to master as you keep your business's financial data accurate and up to date. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to helping you with more Xero tips and tricks in the future.